Hi and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wood board to draw in, so you have a hard surface to put your paper on and clip it or tape it with washi tape. I'm using here some sheets of plywood board. This is the size A5. I'm going to cut it in half to make two A6s wood boards. I just started to measuring the wood board and try and find the middle of it. As I find the middle, I will just draw a straight line to those 2 points and create the middle section of the two boards. And now we have two A6s. Now we just have to cut it with an X-O knife. I'm using here an X-O knife. And I'm going to use a metal ruler so it doesn't damage the ruler with the X-O knife. So it's just simple, just put the ruler on top of the line, and with the X-O knife we're going to cut it right down the middle. I need to pass it many times to cut it. See, now there, it's cut. Now we have two A6 little wood boards. You can see I can put my little watercolor paper on top. And now we're going to glue them together to get a more hard surface, because this is really tiny wood board. Then you can add it more if you want it, or just use it like that. It's up to you. I'm just going to glue these two ones together so I have a harder board to draw on. So now let's get some glue. I'm using wood glue. This one is a brand from my country. You can use any kind of wood glue to make your project. Remember to use a old brush so you don't ruin your good brushes with glue. So here I have an old brush, cheap brush to use with the glue. I'm going to add the glue to one of the pieces of wood. Just put it all around. You have to work quickly because this glue dries really quickly. And now to the other part we do the same, we add the glue. And now we're going to stick them together like that and press it. Press it good so it stays fixed. If it's get out doesn't matter, you can clean it. And now I'm going to add like a heavy glass of water on top so it dries like that, making pressure so it glue them together. It's all dried, it's all ready to use. Our A6 board. I'm getting some paper. So you can see here you can tape your watercolor paper or whatever paper you're drawing on to the board, and you can get some other paper, and in the other one you can use just a paper and a clip, and you can just clip your paper to the board. And there you have it, a tiny workboard for you to work on when you work with tiny watercolor paper or other kind of paper that you're using. Great tiny drawing board to take on plein air adventures, draw anywhere, because it's so tiny it can fit anywhere. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!